You're going to need 3 scoreboards. To activate it, all you need to do is just look up. Each use requires and consumes a movement action. We're gonna start with the activation commands. While you're not in spectator, and if you don't already have 3 movement actions. Think of the system like this. Certain actions consumes that movement point. While missing a point, the restore slowly builds up to 60 and trades it in for an action. As of right now, maybe different characters could have more movement actions. Every character in the OPK project has 2 more or less movement actions. I actually didn't want to go into any of the Deathwish commands at the moment. A lot of what he has is kind of complicated, and I haven't really tested it too much against all the other kits yet. I'll get back more into him in the future, but as of right now, he'll be on hold. Though I'm excited to see how he turns out, and hopefully he is fun, which is the main thing.